Welcome to the Brothers Truck Parts Workshop.
Welcome back. We're going to continue on with our 1979 C10 project, and we're going to address a very common problem. I got Steve from the Brothers Truck Parts here to tell us exactly what that is.
So, commonly, these hoods get tacoed. It's the taco hood. It's classic. All square bodies have it. So what happens, the hinges get old. This truck's almost 40 years old. Hinges get old. They get stiff. You get impatient. You go like this, jerk down on the hood. Hood folds in the middle. I'm sure a bunch of our viewers at home have seen trucks on the road where the hood's tacoed in the middle. The solution is we're going to brace the hood. Brothers Truck Parts makes a real nice brace, super easy to install, and that saves the hood. And this truck's got a nice hood, and we're going to keep it that way. So let's show everybody how to do this. All right, Sam, so the first thing we're going to do is remove the frontmost hood hinge bolt on the hood. Take that out. By the way, this is simple hand tools for this project, and really we're only going to set aside maybe 20, 30 minutes at the most. Okay. I wouldn't be surprised if we got this done much sooner than that. So once we've got that bolt out, we're just going to kind of put a shoulder on the hood, or I don't know, a hand, whatever. Lift this up and get this slid in here. And once we get that slot lined up, we're going to put our bolt back in. And I'm not going to tighten it down all the way. I like to just kind of get it in there a little snug. And then I'll use that to sort of align my brace. Get the brace in there right where I want it.
And there is a slotted channel down here at the bottom to allow you to perfectly align it.
Right.
So it looks like I'm aligned. I can go ahead and tighten my side.
Yep, and I am too, so I'll do the same. All right, and now that we have those tightened, basically going to drill each hole along the line. And I don't like to do them, say one and then drill the rest. I like to do going away from the hood hinge one at a time. This way what happens is we're not putting any weird stress on the brace itself, causing undue stress on the hood. So we'll get this one, drill it, I'll put the screw in it, put the second one, drill it, put the screw in it.
And when you guys are drilling, there's a good tip that Steve has for you when it comes to the drill bit.
Right, so this drill bit's 2 inches long. We don't want it to go through the top of the hood. So a nice tip is to get a piece of fuel line and just put a piece of fuel line over the drill and kind of just leave enough of the bit out here that we're going to pop through the brace and not through the top of our hood.
It works like a stopper.
Right, and you could do the same thing with a piece of electrical tape if you wanted. All right, we'll just continue down the line like that.
Well, that was easy.
It was easy. I know you'll notice that one of the holes doesn't line up with any type of bracing behind. It's a universal brace that fits all hoods from 73 to 91. So you get all the screws that you can in there. Some trucks will get all 5. Some will just get 4 like this one does. But at the end of the day, we've got our support and we're good to go. This hood is not going to turn into a taco like most 73 to 87, 73 to 91 square body hoods would.
Very good. You know, something so simple can solve such a huge problem.
Right. There we have it.
Nice. That's a very nice deal.
Thank you.